Hey guys, today I am going to share my master bedroom tour with you, decorated for fall. I'm also going to share a few tips on how I put this bed together. During my guest bedroom tour, someone had asked if I would show how I put a bed together, so I'm going to share a few tips with you guys. Now, I'm no expert at putting a bed together. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I'm starting here with the coverlet. I put that down first, and then next I will be placing the comforter. Okay, so the comforter is on, and you guys see there may be some wrinkles in this comforter. By the time I get this bed made, you won't see those wrinkles, and personally, I don't care about those wrinkles. So now that the comforter is rolled back, I stack the pillows 2 pillows high, and then I will add the shams. And I did make an adjustment. Instead of rolling the coverlet and the comforter back, I just kind of folded it back. Okay, so I've added my touch of purple, and I got those purple pillows at the end of the season at Marshall's, and as you guys can see, they have a little pineapple on them, but I'm not into pineapples, and I didn't want the silver to show, so I'm going to flip them over and just use the solid side. Okay, so you guys see what I mean? By the time I get the bed covered, you won't see the wrinkles. And I just threw a blanket, a very plush, velvety feeling blanket on top. And I just tossed it on because I didn't want that perfect, beautiful bed that you can't sit on. You just look at it, walk past, and make sure you don't mess up the covers. I wanted this bed to feel like when I walk in the door, if I'm tired, I can get in it. Okay guys, so that is it. That's how I make my bed. Now let's get into the tour.